Hey, my name is Ryan, and I'm going to tell you about OpenDesign in 60 seconds. Have you ever wanted to automate a design workflow? OpenDesign allows you to read and display data from designs using code without using the original design tool. It breaks down designs from Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, Photoshop, and Illustrator, and converts them to a universal design format. We built a suite of other tools that work with this universal format, like a lightning-fast rendering engine that can export images of all or part of a design. And we packaged everything up into an open-source Node.js SDK, which is a new way for you to interact with OpenDesign. If you're already using Node in your stack, OpenDesign SDK will fit right in. So whether you want to automate workflows, import designs into your product, or have some other use case, you can learn more or get started right away at opendesign.dev.